this year to not have a party at some bar or club, but to really like do something to make a difference and get back to the mission of my brand. So I have a lot of girls that's doing it better in the city.